In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable use Face ID with a mask on iPhone 16. The ability of using Face ID with a mask enhances user convenience, especially in public spaces where health measures require mask wearing, such as during pandemics. It allows for quick and secure access to the device without the need to remove the mask or enter a passcode. For your Face ID to work even if you're wearing a mask, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, you will want to navigate onto the option of Face ID and passcode. You will have to first enter your passcode to access these features. On this page, make sure to enable this option of Face ID with a mask. You will have to set up your Face ID once again. This doesn't require you to wear a mask while setting up Face ID. By turning on this feature, even if you don't wear no masks, it literally makes your device Face ID more accurate because it's now set for a full face recognition. That's how easy it is to enable your iPhone Face ID work even if you're wearing a mask. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.